Tape covering many of them to provide protection during the final fabrication and the shipping. And we'll be measuring all of the environmental.
There are actually people in here. You can't see it, but they actually crawl along the inside, which is another good sign for me because it means that there's lots of extra space in here to store supplies of different kinds. So if I have to be trapped in here for maybe a week, I got plenty of resources.
This configuration of the CM LAS, is this the same configuration that's going to fly on the Ares rocket when it's actually ready to go?
Shape-wise, it's very close. It is how it was designed 2 years ago when we started this project, and the data from
this nice and sealed up. Absolutely nothing is going to be in here as far as propellant's concerned, which is good to know.
The data from this will be fed back into our analysis tools, and meanwhile there has been ongoing design iterations, and the data we have here will give us confidence in those future ones. So the final craft will look very similar to this, but perhaps not exactly like this.
How is this launch board system and crew module simulator going to get to Kennedy?
You can actually feel wind coming out of here, the air pressure. They must be cleaning something out.
Well, we're here in the hangar at Langley right now, and right out the back door here is the Langley Air Force Base. Next Tuesday, we have these two trailers. We have a 70-foot trailer the launch abort system's on, and a 50-foot trailer we'll place the crew module on. Both of those will be towed across, placed on a Air Force C-5 Galaxy, very large aircraft, and flown down on a 2-hour trip down to Kennedy Space Center, where it'll land at the shuttle landing facility.
How is this going to be put on top of the Ares 1X rocket? Are you going to use the vehicle assembly building?
Yes, we are. Vehicle assembly building is right within 2 miles of the shuttle landing facility. We tow the trailers into there, and these components will join up with the upper stage simulator that was built at Glenn Research Center, as well as the first stage that was overseen by Marshall Space Flight Center, and then avionics roll control system. Those will all be stacked up vertically to end up making this 321-foot tall rocket inside the vehicle assembly building.
The data that you're going to receive from this test flight, how is that making a better crew module launch aboard system that you will, I assume, do